In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a jammed hood. All right, so I'm getting ready to change the oil on this Scion, and I go to open up the hood and I reach in and uh-oh, can't get it open. I spent about 10 minutes troubleshooting this. Let me show you real quick what I did to fix it. So in this specific model, you have a tab right here that you're supposed to move counterclockwise to release the little grab arm that's hooking over this hood latch. So you got to move this tab counterclockwise, and I'm reaching in, I'm trying to move it, and it's just stuck. I cannot get it to budge. So I had to use a tool to get the hood open to see what was going on. So this is it open, and just to show you what I did to get it open, I have this long oil filter remover wrench, and I reached in and I went to where that locking mechanism is, and I just pushed it open like that. I just reached in and pushed it open manually. So I got it open, propped it up, and then I started looking at this latching mechanism, and I was trying to figure out, why is it stuck? Okay, it moves now. That's because I put a bunch of oil all over it to lube it up. But I was trying to move it, and all that was happening was this was bending. So I ended up having it bent all the way over, and it wasn't budging, so I bent it back. And then, like I said earlier, I put a bunch of motor oil in there to lube it up and kind of get rid of some of the junk. I found out that there was a plastic piece lodged inside of here. Let me find it. Yeah, this broken plastic piece was lodged inside of my locking mechanism. No clue what it's from or you know, how it got there, but it found its way there. And then I started looking even closer, and it was real plugged up with just engine dust and just crap. So I put, it looks dirty now, but it's pretty slippery. So I put a bunch of oil in there to kind of get it so that it'll move nice and easy. So now whenever I lift this tab, you can see that it moves fairly easy. Not the easiest. It's a very bad design though, first of all, because this flimsy sheet metal bends easily. But if I grab about right here and I push it upward, it moves pretty easy. So that's what I did to fix my situation. I hope that's helpful for you. Good luck.